Good White Blaze morning. It's a little after 7 and I have over a 2,500 foot climb first thing this morning. I think this is called White Rock Mountain, and so it's actually going to have two summits. The first one is the biggest one, and then there'll be another 1,000 foot up to Buzzard Rock, I believe it's called. I'm not feeling very well this morning. There were about 35 people in camp last night and lots of smoking. And so hopefully just getting away and having some fresh air will help me. I hope you all have a good day. Apparently this is Whitecap Mountain. I've got about 3 miles of it to get to the top. There may not be enough videoing today. That's Buzzard Rock. Finally made it to the top of that. And then the actual summit of Whitecap Mountain is somewhere on the other side. Oh, look at over there. Hold on, let me turn around. All the rain we've been having this morning is part of this. That's really cool. It's raining again. I better get moving. Maybe this is the actual Buzzard Rock. They don't have it labeled. I have to go up there. Still got 4.2 to go. That's the trail. Just left some great trail magic at Elk Garden. Had a fried egg sandwich. Yum. Can't wait to get in my tent tonight. Oh my goodness. Did you get hurt?
Huh?
Are you hurt?
No, I'm okay.
Look at this little baby. Hi, little baby. Hi. Little sweetheart, how are you? What happened? I didn't see.
Don't touch the big ones. I think maybe because while I was eating.
Oh, hi.
Yeah. Oh, this one's fine. It's fine.
Hi. Oh, sweet thing. Yeah. You back up a little bit. Well, another day on the AT is over. It's been raining about 90% of the day. It's cold, I'm wet, my tent is soaked. And there's an AT rain, it soaks right through. And so all my clothes get wet. It's not from sweat. Yesterday I was soaked through from sweat because there's no ventilation in them whatsoever. But today is just a cold, hard rain, and so I'm soaked. I'm in a wet tent, but I have dry clothes. I'm in my dry sleeping bag, and I have my sleeping mat covering half of my tent floor so that I am dry. I guess this is life on the AT. I'll get back with you in the morning. Hope you have a good evening.